This historic neighborhood bakery has survived a lot over the years, but a recent storm destroyed part of the roof. We've already started installing the new roof framing, but we need another carpenter, you, to help finish the job. First, we need to cut this board and fasten it to the truss assembly to your right. Pull the handle down to cut through the workpiece. That's a perfect cut. Now we can attach it to the truss assembly on your right. That looks great. Okay, time to go up to the roof. Okay, it's in place. Wow, good as new.